If you're a software developer, this is how you should automate testing. Jest is an open source testing library that you can use in your JavaScript and TypeScript projects. Let me show you how to use it. Let's say I want to write some tests for this recipe API. The API should return a title, a list of ingredients, some instructions, and an image. So we're going to write some code to check if the response object is as it should be. Inside of my test folder, I'm going to create a file where I can write my tests. We're going to start by describing the tests that are inside of this file. I'm going to name the tests as the endpoint that I'm testing. You can put whatever you like in here, but because I'm testing API endpoints, this is how I'm going to do it. Next, I'm going to use the supertest library to send a request to my API endpoint. This is essentially going to run the Node.js project before sending the request, so I don't have to manually run it myself. Now we can start testing the response against our requirements. We can expect the status code to equal 200, so we're going to write expect, pass the status code, and then to equal 200. We also expect the response to have a data object, so we can check that it exists by using toBetruthy. Once we've written our checks for this API endpoint, we can run our test. Here you can see that we've tested our recipe API